के सिवा जाना कहाँ.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Ahmad. On this occasion of Defense Day, our young generation is asking the question, are we really free? Dear audience, freedom is the name of such liberty in which one has no chains, no external pressure, no obstacles, no outer interference. To live, to speak, to think, to express, and to make our choice of our own will. Dear audience, freedom is the oxygen of the soul. By the grace of God, we got the national freedom with the emergence of Pakistan on the map of the world on 14th August 1947. This freedom was achieved through numberless sacrifices of lives and property. The Muslims of subcontinent worked day and night under the leadership of Muhammad to materialize this visionary dream of Allama Muhammad Iqbal. The migrated people had to cross the rivers of fire and bloodsheds in order to reach the land of liberty and freedom. Under the title of two-nation theory based on La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, freedom is a possession of inestimable value. Dear audience, it was thought that in this sweet land of liberty, every Pakistani will live real free life. He or she will be given every chance, every opportunity, every possibility to grow, to flourish and to progress. But with the passage of time, we Pakistanis who were living in fool's paradise awakened from this deep slumber of illusion. It became clear as the daylight that not all, but some Pakistanis are enjoying the freedom. Rest are the slaves of these demigods and they are born to live their lives according to these people's will and order of these so-called lords of our nation, of our land of liberty and freedom. But interesting point is that these lords are also slaves of external forces like IMF, etc., etc., etc. You know very well about this all. Dear audience, although we are not suffering the troubles like Kashmiris and Palestinians by the hands of non-Muslim forces, but the tragedy of the day is our rulers and honors are not non-Muslim. They are Muslims of our own land. They are our country fellows. They are our own people. Dear audience, freedom does not come automatically. It must be achieved each day. It is an open secret that every cloud has silver lining. Every dark night ends with sparkling sun. Every autumn turns into spring tides. And you will see, the day will come when each and every Pakistani will sing the song of true and eternal freedom. Let the freedom ring from every corner, every mountain, every hill, every village, every city, and every house of our nation and country. Inshallah, inshallah. Thanks. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.